Hey there, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and it's getting to be that Christmas time of year. I can't wait to show you my plans to decorate. I am just beginning my decorating for Christmas, and it's always so fun. I wanted to share the Amazon finds because I actually haven't ordered a ton from Amazon for Christmas in the past, but this year I was like, I'm gonna get on it early and see if there's better stuff earlier in the year, and I feel like there is, so I thought I'd share it now in case you guys wanna grab any of these, because of course the prices are pretty insane. So first up, I am loving, they have really cute art prints. I still need to get frames for these, but love this like vintage like Santa that's just super neutral. So I always like to bring in a little bit of an old-fashioned type of nostalgic feel for my holiday. And especially in the last few years, this one was also super cute if you're gonna bring in a little bit of the red. I used to do all neutral Christmas, and I'm loving a little bit more the traditional hints of kind of a deep, this kind of almost a maroon red, but just a really pretty kind of vintage red, I'd call it. So that's a really good one. And velvet, I just love the texture of velvet around the holidays. So I got the cutest ribbon, you guys. If you want to, and I just feel like you can do so much with ribbon that is really affordable. So like I tie bows around my sconces behind me. I don't know if you guys see those, but we'll give you a zoom in. This is a really nice, kind of a vintage feel brown velvet that's thicker, and they do have a bunch of different widths in this. I actually got a few different sizes too, but this is, I think this is the inch or inch and a half. So it's a little bit thicker, and I'm gonna just do some cute bows around my home with that. And I also found, while we're speaking about velvet ribbon, the really thin cream velvet that I like to use through the ornaments. So kind of like these have, this actually came this way, but a lot of the ornaments come with that cheap, like foily type, just gold loop. And if you tie this through, I actually did a reel on this a few years back, and it like went viral. I was like, oh, I thought that was such a simple idea, but it really resonated with a lot of people because it was easy to do, and it really makes your ornaments look more expensive. So they have this cute thin velvet on Amazon that is great to just tie through ornaments to make them look more high-end. And those kind of a dark brown ornament here, they come in, I think it was a set of 6. I got a few of those. I like the shape of these because it mixes it up from your standard balls. So I was gonna say, we'll go with that. Standard round ones. That gives you some variety. And then here's a really cute, if you're going with a little bit more traditional this year and you want something a little more in that red family, this is a nice red, because I don't love like a bright orangey red or like just a, you know, like I like it when it's more toned down like this. So this was a really pretty one in available in a bunch of sizes as well, of widths. Here's a great green option. This was a cute, almost a little bit olive green velvet. So those were my favorites for this year. And over here we have some really cute, this is kind of a hammered metal look that's bronzy brass. It's super subtle, but they're really heavy too. So I got these for some cute candles, but I liked that they had that vintage feel as well. And then this tree, if you guys have a cute pot or vase that's wider, this little tree is a really cute one to add. This is my vase that I normally have here on the island with just stems in it, but I wanted to bring in this Norfolk pine. It's got that more realistic look to it, and this was just on Amazon. I did put a couple of like little boxes or whatever underneath it to raise it up to give us a little more height. So that's kind of a way to make it look a little bit bigger, but I think it's so cute and really looks like, I want to say, it kind of levels it up, kind of gives that more high-end feel too when you put it in something like this, like a either an antique pot, or this is just an old wood water vessel type thing. So it just gives it, like, again, that nostalgic feel and kind of a higher end look, and it really more seamlessly blends with my decor because I try to avoid anything that's too like shiny or flashy. Just that antique feel is a good way to blend the typical decor I have with the holiday. But grab these Amazon finds while you can, while they're still in stock. Thank you guys for watching. We love to have you follow here at our channel, Design Loves Detail. You can also find me online, designlovesdetail.com, or on Instagram at Design Loves Detail.